Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Rajendra Agrawal and today we will see what is a check table and how to create a check table in SAP ABAP. First, what are table validations? A table validation is a concept through which we can we can restrict invalid entries in a table. With the help of table validation, we can restrict invalid entries in a table. So what are the possible methods or concept for table validations? So there are two types of methods or concepts for table validations. First is field level validations. We can validate entries at field level with the help of check table concept. And domain level validation, we can restrict entries at domain level with the help of fixed values of the domain and value table of the domain. Now, what is check table? It is a table which contains all the valid entries of a field. A check table contains all valid entries of a field. And what is a value table? It is a table which contains all the valid entries of a domain. In check table, it contains all the valid entries of a field, and in value table, it contains all the valid entries of a domain. This domain can be reused in multiple tables. Now we will create a check table to understand this concept in more detail. Just click on SC11, set check. So we will click on database table. We'll write Z check and create. Now we'll write a short description. Check table student. Check table for student detail. Check table for student details. Now delivery class, application table, maintenance allowed. Yes. Now click on fields. Now first is city. Student city. Now technical settings. Save. Now save it. Enhancement category. Utilities enhancement category can be enhanced. Copy. Now save it. Activate it. Now utilities, table content, create entries, student city. So New York. And save. Then click on back. Again utilities, table content, create entry, city. So Mumbai. Save it. Click on back. Again utilities, Washington. Then save it. Come back. Now utilities, table content and display. See Mumbai, New York, Washington. Now click on back. Now we have created a transparent table. Now we'll make this Z check as check table. So just click on back. You'll write as STUT. Now we'll create another table so that we can make as check table. So Z student check, create. student table, delivery class, no, student number, student student information, yes, then student name, then city, z, student city, save it, technical settings, size category, save it, save it, activate it, enhancement category, utilities, enhancement category, click on enhancement category, yes, can be enhanced, copy, yes, now activate it. Now we will add Z check table in this table. Now for cities, now for just city. Now just generate proposal and click on copy. The foreign key Z student checks was transferred. Now just save it, yes, activate it, and you will see the difference. Utilities, table content, create entry, student number, 2, name Abhishek, and city Pune. See, entry Pune does not exist in ZCheck. I will show you. Utilities, table content, display, Mumbai, New York, and Washington. Check table we have written, and in this we have written Pune. It will not accept because we have not written in our previous table the provided city name which is not in our Z check table, and try to save it. It will throw an error. See there, and see this button. It will show 3 names: Mumbai, Pune. I'll just click New database record successfully created. Just click on back. Utilities, table content, display. Sai, New York. Now this is called as check table. Now we have created a check table. Now in next video we will create value table and we will see the difference between check table and value table. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.